Hey guys, it's Stephanie from Whole Life NYC, and today I wanted to talk to you about why it's so important for you to read your labels on your products. The reason I'm bringing this up today is because somebody gave me a bottle of frankincense and myrrh from Shea Moisture, and they thought that it would be nice for me to have, and I was very grateful. It's always nice to get a gift. But in reading a little more closely, it says it's an aromatherapeutic fragrance oil, which immediately when I hear the word fragrance, I know that it's not a pure essential oil. So then I looked on the bottle to see if there was any information, any ingredients, and there's nothing listed on the bottle. So I looked at the packaging, and the packaging has the ingredients listed here. And the first ingredient is fragrance. And then in parentheses, they call it an essential oil blend. So that immediately tells you that this is not pure essential oil. And then the second ingredient is caprylic or capric triglyceride, which I believe is glycerin. So this bottle of essential oil is nothing but a fragrance oil, artificial fragrance oil. I went to the website to look it up also, just to double check everything. And again, it was just the same information that was on the packaging, nothing about where the oils were sourced, nothing about any kind of testing that they do on their oils. So it's always really, I really stress this is why it's so important for you to read your labels. doTERRA's oils they're very open about where their oils are sourced. They're very open about third-party testing. Each batch of oil, every single batch of oil, goes through 5 levels of testing. And if it doesn't match doTERRA's standards, they will not sell you the oil. So that is why I just want to reiterate, it's so important for you to really double check and read your labels. And when in doubt, yeah, you can smell that this is an artificial fragrancy oil. So not for aromatherapy. It's not something that I would recommend or I would personally put on my body or in my diffuser or on my kids because it's chemicals. And that's exactly what I want to get away from using, which is why I've been using doTERRA. So just always read your labels to make sure you know what you're getting, and you make sure you know what you're putting on your body and in your body and in the air. Okay, thanks. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.